If clogged drains are the problem, Clear Out lemon-scented granular drain opener is the solution. It is a cost-effective method for unclogging problematic drains. It's easy to use, works fast, and at 200 applications per case, very economical. It's heavier than water, enabling it to sink through standing water to penetrate the clog. Clear Out reaches over 200 degrees Fahrenheit and literally melts the grease and sludge away, leaving behind a fresh lemon scent that replaces malodors. This simple demonstration shows how Clear Out works to unclog drains. Watch the temperature rise after Clear Out is added to the water. It climbs to over 200 degrees and yet is still safe on PVC pipes. Its high temperature melts the grease and sludge that plague drains, transforming both into an emulsion that is easily rinsed away. Clogs are no match for Clear Out. Clear Out lemon-scented granular drain opener, another great product brought to you by State Industrial Products, caring for work environments since 1911.